Welcome to this art film. My name's Jamila Walker and I'm a visual artist. I hope you enjoy the film. So for this creative activity, you're going to need some paper and something to draw with. So whatever you choose, pens, biros, felt tip pens, whatever you're happy to work with. So the theme of this film is home and colour, and these themes are themes that I use regularly within my own practice, and the images that I'm showing you now were created by me using digital illustration. To start off with, we're going to find 3 items around your home that are 3 different colours. Now they don't have to be totally one colour, like I've got this green jug here and I've also got a red ornament and a blue ornament as well. So just find 3 things of 3 different colours, and I just find that this kind of limitation just sort of helps work go along a little bit smoother, because sometimes when we're making artwork there's so many possibilities, so many things you can do. So if there's some limitations, whether it's colour or technique, then that can sometimes help us be at our most creative. So now you've got your 3 different items of 3 different colours. We're going to draw them. We're going to do continuous line drawings of these items, which means you're going to keep your oil pastel or the pencil or pen that you're using on the paper at all times, and still keep trying to do more looking than drawing. So keep looking at your item, see where the curves are, see where the straight lines are, where there's any pattern. It might mean, because we're doing continuous line drawing, that you go over the same lines again. And if you do accidentally take your pen or pencil off the paper, just try and put it back at the last spot. Okay, this is a challenging and also quite fun and potentially quite silly activity that I hope you enjoy.